Hello, I'm Mastura. Today I want to present about integrated production. Okay, first we will talk about introduction. Decision making is a process of identifying a decision, acquiring information, and evaluating possible remedies are all steps in the decision making process. There were also few problems that cannot be solved in mathematical form, such as integrated production. What is integrated production? Integrated production can be defined as a method or set of processes for producing, fabricating, mining, or refining tangible personal property. Integrated production is a process begin from a raw material or removed from inventory and concludes when the last step prior to loading for shipping is finished. Then, the criteria of respective technique. First is the decision support system, then the Tropos methodology, the analytical hierarchy process, and the last is DEX methodology. First is decision support system. Integrated production system can be beneficial if they are integrated into bigger information system and constructed with the various functions that people in the production system may cover in consideration of the system. Then the analytical hierarchy process, which is the one of the most promising multi-criteria technique available to decision makers for capturing both physical, which is objective, and social-economic subjective indicators and criteria in order to evaluate multiple options with the least amount of distortion. Hierarchy process involves organizing multiple choice criteria into hierarchy, assessing the relative relevance of these criteria, comparing and rating possibilities for each criterion. Next, the Tropos methodology. Tropos allowing the process to cover to do a whole software development based on a agent-oriented software engineering. Throughout the software development process, knowledge level terms such as actor, goal, plan, and actor dependence are used. The early steps are requirement analysis, which aim to understand the context in which the system to be will function, plays a key role. The last criteria is DEX methodology, which is a qualitative decision-making assistant methodology for evaluating and analyzing choice options. For the evaluation of production system, multi-parameter decision-making was chosen, which is based on the breakdown of the major issue in smaller one. Multi-attribute decision modeling approach that combine multi-criteria decision modeling with rule-based system to provide a qualitative outcome. The example practice of respective technique, which is aquaponic. What is aquaponic? Aquaponic is an integrated production of fish and hydroponic group with recirculation of the nutrient solution in which fish waste are used as plant fertilizers. Aquaponic systems are mostly small scale and many of them are operated by hobbyists in urban areas. Aquaponic technology has advanced significantly in the past decade. Then we will see about integrated production characteristics in aquaponic. First is components, calculation and rations. Second is plant growing area and amount of fish feeds. The next is filtration requirement, biofilter and mechanical separator, and the last is water volume. Conclusion. So, we can conclude that decision making is vital in our everyday life because using a decision theory, a course of action to select the best alternative option for the decision making. For that, as a decision maker, there are many techniques that can be learned to make the right and strong decision. Integrated production also the best technique because it has a certain criteria that could be adapted to the problem existent.